Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some important question in the chapter development. The first question, what are the development goal for the landless rural labor? The answer for this question is development goal for the landless rural labor are more days of work, better wages and local school which are able to provide the quality education for their children. There should be no any social discrimination and they too can become a leader in the village. Second question, what can development goal be for the prosperous farmer for Punjab? The answer for this question, assured high family income through the higher support price for their crop, hard working and cheap labors, they should be able to settle their children abroad. Now third question, what are the common development goal of a persons? The answer for this question is common development goal are regular work, better wages, better standard of living are the common development goal for of a persons. Next question, what is per capita income? The answer for this question, when the total income of a country is divided by its total population, we get per capita income. Next question, what is the infant mortality rate? The answer for this question, it indicates the number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1000 live children born in that particular year. Next question, what is a literacy rate measures? The answer for this question, literacy rate measures the proportions of literate population in the 7 and above age group. Next question, what is net attendance ratio? The answer for this question, it is the total number of children of the age group between 14 and 15 are attending school as per percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Question number 8, is it true to money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you need live well? The answer for this question, actually money cannot buy you a pollution free environment or ensure that you get the alternate medicine. Money may also not able to protect you from the infectious diseases. Question number 9, why has Kerala as low infant mortality rate? The answer for this question, Kerala has low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provisions of basic health and educational facilities. Question number 10, how does UN on the basis of human development report compare countries? The answer for this question, UNDP compare country based on the educational level of people, their health status and per capita income. Next question, what do you understand by SDI? SDI stands for the Human Development Index. Next question, what is the life expectancy at birth? Answer for this question, life expectancy at birth denote average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. Next question, what is a gross enrollment ratio? Gross enrollment ratio is the three level enrollment ratio of primary school, secondary school and higher school beyond the secondary school. Next question, which indicator are taken in consider for the measuring the human development index? The answer for this question is per capita income, life expectancy at birth, literacy rate for 15 plus population, gross enrollment ratio for the 3 level. Thank you.